Hello food lovers! Today we're going to make a duck fillet with a white miso and Sudachi crust, and this is all about high quality ingredients and a combination of some extraordinary flavors. So let's have a look at our ingredients. We got a good quality duck fillet, of course. We're going to use some good quality white miso. We also have Sudachi puree. Sudachi is a Japanese citrus fruit that is picked green and then cooked in syrup on a special low and slow method. It is an extraordinary ingredient. We got a few sprigs of thyme, and we're going to use some green szechuan peppercorns. They have a very intense flavor. If you can't find the green ones, use the regular szechuan peppercorn, but it's not exactly going to be the same flavor. We got some dried wild forest mushrooms, and we're also going to need a pinch of sea salt. So as you can see, there are not many ingredients, but the particular ingredients we're going to use are going to give us a very beautiful flavor profile for this dish. I'm Wes, let's get started. Take a small bowl, add the sprigs of thyme, add the green szechuan peppers, the dried mushrooms, and we're going to pour some lukewarm water. And we're going to let them soak for about half an hour. We got about 100 grams of white miso, and we're going to add about 50 grams of Sudachi puree. We're just going to mix it all together. Here we go. The duck fillet. We're going to carve the skin lightly. We're going to start with a cold and dry frying pan, and we're going to place our fillet skin side down, put the heat on medium, and you can see little by little the fat is coming out of the skin, and that's enough to fry our duck fillet. 4 to 5 minutes on the skin side. After 4 to 5 minutes we're going to turn the fillet, and we're going to fry it another 2 to 3 minutes on this side. After 2 minutes we're going to take the fillet out of the pan, and without cleaning the pan we're going to add the mushrooms and the water, a little pinch of sea salt, and we're going to reduce the liquid, and that's going to take about 5 to 6 minutes. Now you see all the liquid is almost gone, and when it gets to this point we're going to kill the heat. All you need to do is warm it up a little bit just before serving. We're going to add a duck fillet on a grill, and we want to take out a little bit of the fats. And we're going to take our Sudachi and miso mixed, and we're going to put a thick layer on the skin side. Put your oven on the top grill position, 220 degrees Celsius, that's 440 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to let it grill for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now we got a very nice roast on the top, and the duck fillet is rare to medium rare. We're going to add the mushrooms. We're going to avoid the peppercorns, they are really very strong. Now here we go. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.